the new year. And if you are like me who want to start 2021 strong and right, then you probably have started setting your goals last December. But if you haven't started setting up your goals yet, don't you worry. Let's do it together. Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't met me yet, I'm Andrea and I help women entrepreneurs save time and make more money by using practical content strategies to build a strong online presence. In this channel, you'll see a lot of my virtual assistant journey and experiences. I'll also be sharing tips and tricks about social media management, blog and YouTube management, along with some productivity tips if you are an aspiring freelancer or a business owner. So if this is something you enjoy watching, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button down below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos every week. So in this video today, we are going to talk about planning and setting goals for 2021. Before we start, I want to say for those of you who are just starting out with planning and setting goals, you don't need or have to have a specific goal planner, tools, or systems. Planning and setting goals should come from what you are comfortable using. The essence of planning and setting goals is to motivate you to work hard on those small steps to achieve the goals you desire. And most importantly, I have to get this out there. This doesn't mean that when you set your goals for the year, you have to accomplish all of them or that you can't change them. Yes, it would be a fantastic feeling to accomplish all of them, but you don't need to. You can still achieve those goals for the next year. What's important is that again, you motivate yourself and that it acts as a guide for you. And be open to unforeseen circumstances that may affect your goals. Let's get on. First, what tools do we need to help to set up our goals? For me, I have a yearly goals and then I reverse engineer it and break it down into quarterly goals, and from the quarterly goals, break it down more to monthly goals. With the tools, it depends on how you define it. But for me, I start with the environment, the mood, then the writing tools. So here's what it looks like. Before sitting down and setting my goals, I make sure that my environment is some kind of tidy and pleasant to look at, and that it's conducive for me to write and kind of meditate too. Because for me, setting goals is like meditating because you have to have a peace of mind when writing your goals. I also make sure that there will be no distractions. So I'll text my husband that I'll mute my phone and that I have a meeting. I'll also use the bathroom if I need to and have a jar of water on the side if I get thirsty. This way, I'll be focused on setting my goals and not be distracted to stand up and use the bathroom or get a glass of water. And then I put on my earphones, but I don't have any music playing there. I can't focus too much if there's music. So I just want to put my earphones so that it's kind of zone out the noise. And then we get into the tools. I have my 2021 planner, my old planner from last year, my notebook where I can just write anything, sticky notes, favorite pen, highlighters, and washi tapes. You can see here that I'm using an undated 2020 planner from the Everyday Planner, which I will link below. I bought their 2021 planner last December, but they also sent me the 2020 planner, so I'll be using the 2021. Now that the tools are set, let's get to the next step. The next step is to go back to the previous year. I do this by looking back at my old 2020 planner, notebook, and calendar. I check what goals I have accomplished and goals I didn't accomplish. The reason of the setback and if I still want to achieve that goal this year and if it still aligns to what I envisioned my 2021 be. I also look back at the goals I achieved, what helped me achieve them, and how I achieved them. This way I know I can achieve my 2021 goals. It is crucial and important to do this part because for me, it's like closing an old chapter of my life and embracing a new one. And now, let's set our goals. If you don't have a system or idea on how to set goals, there are others who set their goals by listing down the different areas of their life and base their goals from there. What I do is that I will list the top 5 goals I want to achieve this year. And these top 5 goals come from the category of my health, family, business, personal, and money and financial goals. After that, I break down each of these goals to quarterly goals. I will also use my sticky note and write in here the places I want to visit this year, books I want to read, new things I would like to try, things to improve on, and things to be grateful for. After breaking those down to quarterly goals, I will then again break it to monthly goals. In this part, I will use my notebook to write down the things I need to do each month to achieve that quarterly goals. And again, on my sticky notes, I will write the things I look forward to that month. At the end of each month, I will also write on a sticky note what I need to improve and what I'm grateful for. When setting your goals, it should follow the SMART method. SMART stands for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. So when you set your goals, it should be specific on what your goal is, when you would like to achieve it, and how you will attain it. It also should be realistic and timely of where you are in your current stage of your life. Again, if there are unforeseen circumstances that may happen along the year, have an open mind, have a room for change. Be open to what might happen and don't be too hard on yourself. 2020 may be the year of uncertainties for all of us. But despite of all these uncertainties, we were able to know ourselves, know our capabilities, and it also helped us be aware of how important health is. So despite the uncertainties of 2020, there are still things that we should always look forward to for 2021. So I leave you with the question that you will see on the screen, and you can comment down below your answers. And if you want more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video to your friends. And of course, comment down below if you have any questions about being a virtual assistant, productivity tips, social media management, blog and YouTube management, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. And also, I would love to connect with you on Instagram. So here's my Instagram handle down below. And that's all for today. See you next week for another video.